Good morning, students. Now we work on APEX Oracle software. So you just log in over here. My workspace name is Khan7080. This is different one. So I just sign in. As you see, when you log in over here, so you got this type of interface. So first you have to put the database inside your workspace. So I just go to SQL workshop. Over here I just go to utilities, sample database, or you can say data set. Over here there are different data set available on Oracle APEX. This is for the practice. So first I just install this. When you click on this, you just got this one. The schema is this one. Just click next. Install data sheet. Just create application. Create application. So it is creating application, or you can say you got database, and right now we are working online. Okay, you can access this data from anywhere. So just go to again SQL workshop. As you see, you got department data and employee data. So if you want to check, just go to department tab. Over here you got these constraints like table. If you want to check the data, so data is like department number, 10, 20, 30, 40, department name, accounting, research, sales, operations, and the location New York, Chicago, Boston, etc. And in the table you just click over here, you just find out different data types. Okay, and the column name, as you see, the first column is department number, second is department name, and the third is location. Okay, so as it is, you can check for the employee. So over here these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 schema are there, and the data is, this is the data. Okay, so using this you can check from here, and if you want to work out with the SQL commands, just go to SQL workshop, click on SQL commands. So our first case is just select job from employee and just click on run. It will give you the, as you see over here, president, manager, analyst, clerk, salesman. And if you want to find out the different types of job, you just put distinct. Okay, when you run this, you just remove these repetition. It will give you single name. So as you see, I got analyst, clerk, salesman, manager, president. Okay, so if you want to print the complete data inside the employee, or you can say EMP, so just put asterisk. When you run it, you got the complete data. As you see over here, I got the complete data. And if you want to download this, you can download from here. When you download this, click on this. As you see, I got CSV file, report related to CSV file. When you just click on this, Excel sheet is created, and in this I got this data. Okay, so my employee number, employee name, job, MGR, hire date, salary, com, and department number are there inside this Excel sheet. I just delete this. So our next command is, that is, select multiple tables. So let's say in this case over here I want to just put the ename, comma, I want to type hire date, next I want to just put salary from the employee, and when I hit on run button it will give me 3 columns related to my data like ename, hire date, and salary. Okay, so this is how you can work with select and from command. Next we want to just put condition over here in employee where job is equal to manager. Okay, so I want to just that data from the database, that is manager, whose job is manager, and I want to just want his name, his hire date, and his salary. When I put on run, it will give me data related to that. So you just check over here, Black, Clark, and Jones. These three, not two, these three are the managers. Okay, if you want to print their job also, just put comma over here and job. So when you hit on run button, it will give 4 columns like his job. These guys are managers as job says. Okay, so now we just use where command over here, and if you want to work on some another command, let's say I want to just put and over here, and I want to just get the data of person whose salary is 850. So salary is equal to 2850. Okay, so let's check what is the output. So I got Blake, hire date, salary, manager. Okay, so this is how you can use different commands like select, from, where, job, salary. Okay, so you can work out on different data also. So just click on workspace, then utilities, sample database. Let's say I want to work on customer order, so just install this. Next, install datasheet. It will take some time according to your internet connection or your system performance. So now create application over here, create application. It will creating application for you. So now report is created, or you can say your database is created. Just go to SQL workshop. Over here I got orders, store, products, ordered items, customers. So just go to SQL command. So I want to just but first I want to check the schema. So just go to workspace. So I want to just check the customer schema. What is the customer schema? So in the customer schema we have data type. Here we have customer ID, full name, email address, okay, in the customers. So I just work on this. So you just put select customer name, or you can say email from customers. So when you hit on run button, maybe it will give you some error because over here the table or view does not exist. Okay, so again I just go to my customers. I just copy in the customers, in the data I just have customer ID and email address. This is my schema. I want to just put this one. Okay, so I just select email address from customers. So when I hit on run button, it will give me the data. As you see, I got this data, and in this, if you want to print some email ID, or you can say employee name, you just use these type of commands. So in case of conditions, you just use and where, and another command is you just select from customers. If you want to put whole data of customers, just put a stick over here. It will give you the complete data like his name, his full name, and his customer ID. Okay, so if you want to use over here some condition where customer ID is equal to, let's say, 10, it will give the specific person. As you see over here in the row returned in 0 seconds, over here I got the email address of particular customer with some ID. Okay, and if you want to find out the complete data, you just put asterisk, so of, it will give you the customer ID, his name, and his email address. Using this you can work out with SQL workshop. So in the next lecture we will continue.